Good afternoon, Vinay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So, can you just tell me what is actually Salesforce technology and why we use Salesforce?
Yes, definitely, sir. Sir, Salesforce is a cloud-based service. Like in 360-degree, Salesforce providing services for their clients. In many domains, we can use Salesforce like marketing cloud, commerce cloud, service cloud, sales cloud. In many ways, it is.
Okay, right. So, can you just explain me what is a CRM?
So CRM means a customer relationship management, where we can store the data of clients, and we can manipulate that, or we can use that data to grow or for booming our industry,
Okay, right.
booming our company.
Correct. So, what is trigger?
So trigger is part of Apex, and
Okay.
Apex is the language of Salesforce,
Okay.
which is similar to Java. So trigger means if I give a specific condition,
Okay.
so there is a multiple events in a triggers, like a before trigger, after trigger, before update, after update, then delete, undelete. These kind of events have in triggers. So trigger work depend on the scenario. Like if I give the, for example, if I create the account and I give the criteria, if account is create, opportunity will also create. In that scenario, we can use after trigger.
Okay, right. Mean just a functionality we develop in trigger.
Right, sir.
Okay, right. So next question for you is what is actually Apex perform in Salesforce? What is the function of Apex?
So Apex is a language which is used for only in Salesforce, which is similar to Java. It's an object-oriented language, and it is not complicated like other language like Java.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. So just last question for you is what is exactly difference between Salesforce admin and Salesforce development?
Okay. So in admin, we can use the services which is already provided by the Salesforce. It is a click and drop method we are using, and in a development we create a program, we can create a code there, and according to that we can implement.
Okay, right. Okay, so fine. We will stop here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity.